Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today is a Sunday. So I thought I would just kind of do a Sunday in my life, show you what I typically do. Obviously there's gonna be some extra things than what's normal, but I'll show you the general gist, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen because my Sundays don't typically change much. But it's about 8 o'clock. I got up already. I made my cold coffee, so that's taken care of. And then, well, I've just kind of been chilling. I watched Sweet Magnolias season 2 and took it easy. So I am going to take the dog outside for him to go to the bathroom. And then when I come in, I need to prep a little bit of food. So I'm going to make some rice for like a broccoli rice cheese bowl for lunch this week. I just want to get that prepped. And then dinner I'm just going to make later because that'll be dinner for a couple days, but I'll save that for later. So I'm gonna take the dog out, and when we get back, we'll go ahead and work on those bowls. All right, while the rice is going for 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the living room rug. It's sort of a hot mess. Had visitors and dogs like to shred stuff, so need to vacuum the rug. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that and then probably finish up those bowls before church.
It isn't in style. Like it's bad. There's only one light that works on it. That's probably just because we need to replace the bulbs. But it's like it's that level of neglect, y'all. It's that level. It's that level. And what I want to ask you, I'm not mad about your unfinished bathroom, but here's what I want to ask you. What's your 1980s ceiling fan in your life? What's the thing spiritually, or in your family, or in your career, in your ministry? What's that thing that 18 months ago you said, God, I'm going to get around to that? We need to fix that. We need to upgrade that. I want to preach you into all the land. Genesis chapter 17.
so church is over. I'm actually gonna take the dog down to the park and go for a walk. I know it's cold, but he enjoys it, and we've been trying to get back into the routine of Sunday walks. So let's get going.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it.
We're back from our walk. Riley's enjoying his busy bone. Oh, is there a bug on me? Oh, it's a fuzzball. So I just ordered some lunch from Panera, so that'll be here soon. But in the meantime, my goal is to try and at least get the kitchen clean. One more thing off my list today. And that way I can at least start towels, maybe. I don't know. I usually don't like to do laundry till after I've showered so I can wash any clothes and towels that I have. But let's at least get the kitchen cleaned. So that's one less thing to worry about. And then we'll tackle another task later. But being it's Sunday, I'm just kind of relaxing. So I'll do something, take a break, watch a little bit of TV, not go too crazy. So it's not going to be like a productive day where I'm go, 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 go. It's going to be a little bit slower pace.
Got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck.
Not gonna lie, it's a few hours. I basically ate lunch and I've just been chilling on the couch. I don't know why, but I'm a little bit tired. I'm having a hard time staying motivated today, but we're gonna get up and go take a shower because I need to get that done so I can do laundry. So shower and then we'll start laundry and then I can chill out again. There's a couple more things I'd like to get done today and we'll talk about that a little bit later.
Thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind.
So I got a shower. I'm feeling a little bit better. It's just very cold. So the next two things I wanted to get done today, I need to get a birthday card out in the mail again. And I need to order a gift off of Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff taken care of so I can get the card in the mailbox before the mail tomorrow. And then I'll probably take a break for a little bit, and there's one more kind of major project I do want to get accomplished today. I ordered a new Apple TV and I have it, but I want to get it set up in the living room and move my living room one to my bedroom because my bedroom one's kind of outdated and it won't update anything anymore. So I need to get that stuff swapped out and changed, but let's get this card done and ordering the gift.
I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
It's a little while later. We're going to change out the Apple TVs. I'm going to start in here with the really old one so that way I can reset it to factory settings. And then I'll disconnect it and move the one from the living room. And then lastly, we'll set up the new one in the living room.
More than a sunshine in my eyes. La, da, la, da, da, la, da, da. La, da, 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 dee, da, da, la, da, 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 da.
That's taking a little bit longer than I had anticipated to reset it. So while I'm waiting, let's set up the new one in here. We'll go from there.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la da da. La da 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 dee da da la da 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 la da la da da la da da. La da la da 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 da.
So I'm gonna go ahead and actually eat while it's still hot, and then the rest of it I'm gonna put in the fridge. That'll be dinner for a couple other nights. And then I'm just gonna do dishes and watch TV for the rest of the evening. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this Sunday. Nothing too thrilling. But as always, I hope you had a blessed day.